How often do you stress about money? Life brings all kinds of stressor. You have a busy schedule, family issues, health concerns, and many other things that consume your life. But for some people, money is the number one stress. How much time do you spend worried about your money situation? Money can be one of the most stressful issues for individuals and families alike. When you don't have money, you can't meet the needs of your family, such as food, clothing, and shelter. Many people are so stressed about money that it affects every aspect of their health. They may have physical symptoms such as high blood pressure, chest pain, and indigestion. They may also feel the mental health symptoms that go along with depression. Money problems can also affect your social health. Instead of feeling like you can spend time with friends, you may withdraw from your usual relationships. If you've been feeling any of these symptoms, you may want to look at what is causing your stress. Is it a low-paying job? Is it too many expenses? Are you living beyond your means? Is money the first thing you think about when you wake? Or the last thing you think about before sleeping? Is sleep impossible because of your financial worries? If money is on the forefront of your mind when you go throughout your day, it's probably the thing that's causing you the most stress. The good news is that you're not alone and you don't have to have constant worries over finances. But you can't be in denial any longer about the problem. The best way to handle your money stress is to tackle it head on. You must be willing to face the problem before you can relieve your feelings of tension and anxiety. But the good news is that once you open those bills, look at your bank statements, and figure out where you really stand financially, it's much easier to get rid of the stressful feelings. If you're not sure where to start, there are many ways to get help. Check your local library for books on money management, find out if your local community center offers workshops on financial help, and listen to as many experts as you can. You may even want to enlist the help of a friend who understands financial management better than you and ask for some help creating and living on a budget. It may take hard work and sacrifice to get your finances under control, but the stress relief is well worth it. Thanks for watching our video. Make sure you subscribe to receive more video related to stress relief, stress management, and many other everyday health and wellness. Don't forget to leave a comment, hit the like button, and share our video. Thank you so much for watching. Be safe, and stay healthy.